I just did a big ass wheelie. I didn't shift. Let's fucking come. My dumb ass has fucking running shoes on. These motherfuckers. What the fuck am I thinking? Anyways, guys, this is Kurtis. Woo! Kurtis is super cool. Kind of like one of those dudes that just knows how to do everything. Also ripped and has a fucking clean ass lowrider. I just stopped. This guy must be hating his fucking life. So Kurtis has an LP4 and I got two LP6s on this motherfucker. Don't want to stay on the ground.
My eyebrows is cold. Frozen.
Oh yeah, why don't you put a clear one on?
Nice hurry.
Huh?
Kurtis and I both run the Star Racing 3030 cam. This cam is insane. It pulls hard throughout the RPM range from 1700 to 5500 RPMs. The tune I have is crazy responsive and my dyno numbers are 120 horsepower and 132 foot-pounds of torque. I have the Khromewerks Dominator pipes, the cam, and the Fuel Moto BMF filter. I also did all the cam chest components and a motor sprocket, which isn't necessary, but I did it. Now, if you did the same to your bagger, are you going to beat a lowrider with a 117 and a cam? Probably not, but it will lift the front tire off the ground easily and pull hard as hell. You'll be banging the rev limiter while you get used to it. For me, this cam is perfect for what I need it for. 2-up touring, passing cars, and the occasional hot riding around town with the boys. Thanks for riding with me. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and please comment down below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.